Good morning, children. First lesson G bit we are completed yesterday. No, G bit over. Next H. Okay. See here. This singular plural. This bit completed no yesterday. Today we are starting H bit. Okay. See here. Listen and speak. Okay, children. Listen carefully. Our first lesson H bit. Okay. Open your textbook and observe here. All of you see your textbooks. Your teacher will read out some words. Act them out. You also do like me. Okay. Talk to your partner. Tell each other what you want or don't want. Okay. You may begin like this. First, you and your friend, both of you have to do conversation. First, I will explain afterwards. You have to converse with your friend. Okay. At your home, you have to do like this. Okay, you. I want crayons. I don't want pencils. So you have to conversation with your friend. I want crayons. I don't want pencils. You are saying like this. So your friend partner saying, I want books. I don't want a CD. I want books. I don't want a CD. So your friend also conversation. You and your friend, both of you conversation like this. Okay, conversation like that. You are both of you talking like this. What you want, what you don't want. So like this, you may use these words. Here examples given. Okay, in our classroom means you have to do, all members have, each two members doing two examples. Okay. So here at your home only you have to do practice. I will read out. Okay. Okay. I want a ball. I don't want a doll. Here next. I want clothes. I don't want toys. I want pens. I don't want erasers. I want a bicycle. I don't want a kite. You have to write it like that. Okay. So here like this only given, no? So all members you have to practice like this only. So here two only given. You no need to write in your class works. Okay. Just your practicing purpose only given. In your class work, no, don't write. Just you have to conversate with your friends only. Conversation with your friends. Okay. Like this only you have to practice. Just listening and speaking purpose only, not writing purpose. No need to write in your classwork. Just next bit only you have to write in textbook only. Enough G bit enough you have to write in the classwork. Next all are listening and speaking purpose only. Okay. I want a ball. I don't want a doll. Like this. You have to practice. I want clothes. I don't want toys. I want pens. I don't want erasers. I want a bicycle. I don't want a kite. Like this. Understand, children? Okay, next bit. Think and write. What do you do every day? What do you do every day? Look at the pictures and complete these sentences. Okay, in our daily needs, what we are doing? In these pictures only given. I brush my teeth. Already given, no? Next, I have a bath. Here, see. I have a bath. B-A-T-H. Bath, you know that boy? So, first one already have. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. Already given. Next, second one. I have a bath. I have a bath. We have to find out. We have to see this picture and we have to find out the correct answer. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. B-R-E-A-K. Breakfast. Okay. This is S. Okay. Breakfast. Next, I go to school. Fourth one. Here uniform we are now that boy. So I go to school. I go to school. Very easy. Okay, completed our first lesson. Okay, children. I hope you all of you understand. Here baby beds. One poem here given baby beds. Do you know babies of lamb, cat, dog? So dog, baby of dog we will call puppy. Baby of kitten we will call baby of cat we will call kitten. Okay, small babies have no cat kids we will call kitten. So here sheep baby lamb. Okay, lamb. So here baby beds. So different poem is there. Once you have to listen. Little lambs, where do you sleep? Where do you sleep? In the garden fields with mother sheep, with mother sheep. So here this girl asking here, see, lamb. Two lambs have no mother sheep. Sheep, mother name sheep. Two kids have lambs. Okay, here, little lambs, where do you sleep? In the green fields with mother sleep, with mother sheep. Little birds, where do you rest? Little birds, where do you rest? Close to our mother in a warm nest, close to our mother warm nest. Okay, here asking this boy to little birds. Here very small, here little birds have no here warm nest. Nest also have here close to our mother. Our mother wings have no. It's hug their children. So give warm up. The mother bird giving to their children warming. So here see close to our mother in a warm nest. In nest only have mother hug like this. This wings covered with the children. Okay, here picture we have to see. Baby dear, where do you lie? Baby dear, where do you lie? In my warm bed with mother nearby. In my warm bed with mother nearby. Small babies, they can lie in their mother's lap. Okay, so here also small bed also have no. In this small bed, in my warm bed, very small bed, warm bed with mother nearby. Always mother sit in front of the child only. So here this baby asking to this baby means small baby saying like this only. So once listen the poem. Little lambs, where do you sleep? In the green fields with mother sheep. Little birds, where do you rest? Close to our mother in a warm nest. Baby dear, where do you lie? In my warm bed with my mother nearby. Okay children, I hope you understand this poem. Okay, today we are lesson completed. Tomorrow we will start second lesson. Okay, you have to take your homework. Just you have to read these all bits. That is the homework. And as well as this poem also. Read J-bit. Okay. Read J-bit and poem. This is the homework. Okay children, thank you.